This is code.org, and with your background in place, boom, if you don't have one, go do the last bubble. It's time to add your sprites. All right, add at least 2 sprites. So animation, I'm probably going to add more than that. Let me click this, and let's see what they have for alien. Now I know they have these, but these are the ones I actually want. Yeah, that looks, nope, you're happening. And this dude is awesome. Done. Cool. And I actually think they have some comment maybe. Star. That will do. Oh, these are funny. Ooh, that's very Mario-ish. Candy? Yeah, I'm gonna go with that. That sounds good to me. Nope. Done. Okay, so now I have my sprites. Boop, let me switch back to code, and we need to go ahead and add them. So to do that, I'm headed over here, and first we're going to create our variable. And then, remember, creating a variable for your sprite doesn't make it appear on the screen. You have to set its animation. So if I hit run right now, not going to work at all. Nothing is named animation 1. So I have to head over here again, and notice this is called alien 01 or whatever. Bloop, back over. I'm going to click this little arrowy thing and find, bam. And now let's hit run. Where is it? So I made a great, I just did an example of a easy and often mistake. Remember, the background doesn't get drawn until down here. So what happens is the sprite is made and then it gets painted over by our background. And nope, not going to happen yet. Because remember guys, we have to actually, drawing, we have to ask it to draw our sprites. So bam, I'm going to do mine way down there. Now, the reason I'm doing it down here is if I put this behind the background, I just suffocated my little alien under a wall of black paint. The background was drawn over him. All right, now, this is not a great name for a variable because I have several sprites. So I'm just going to call this one alien. I know I'm creative. Oh, and then I'm definitely going to want to change up the size. I don't know, maybe 50-50. Oh, that's the location, which I want to change anyways. Now, let's actually do the size. That's going to be sprite scale. I'm going to drop that there. Again, I have something called alien, and I think 0.5. Let's try. Cool. All right, I'm going to set up the other sprites, and then I'll talk about them. Alright, and now I'm just going to move these around. They're all set up. Let me find the position I want. Perfect. So this is where mine are going to be. And again, I made a variable for each. Make sure you set the animation so the computer says, alright, boom, variable. What is it? It's a sprite. Where do you want to draw it? These are the locations. If you hit run, you can see when you drag over X and Y down here, or when not running right there. So set up your X and Y. And then I just set my scales. Almost all of them are about 25% or 0.25. So this is looking good. I'm ready to animate. No. It just wants me to set a property. I already set scale on all of my sprites. I'm actually going to change, though, the rotation of this star also. And then let's do, I don't know, 90. I just want it flipped around a bit so it doesn't look so standard. Oh, there we are. I misspelled star. Cool. I'm liking that. Awesome. Onward.